Good morning, guys, and this isn't very nice to wake up to. Yeah. Took down lightly yesterday, so that's good. Except for the deer. The deer was frozen to the ground. So, church is canceled today. So, we might be doing some GoPro shuttling. So, I'm pretty tired still, so I'm gonna go back to bed. But, wait, okay, there's no. I got a zip on my lip and it's numb. So yeah. Sorry, brain fart. Yeah, I'm tired, so I'm gonna go back to bed. But it's supposed to change over to rain today, so it's gonna be a mess on the roads. So yeah, luckily it's not my flight. That would suck. And my lip is kind of numb, isn't it? Right there. Just feels fat. Anyways, I guess I'll see you guys later. I don't know why my neighbor's bothering with this, really. It's gonna be raining and 8 degrees in an hour, so there's really no point there, buddy. Oh well, you're wasting your gas and time. I'm not even gonna bother doing the stairs until after it's done, because it's just gonna melt anyway, so why the bother? I'll still go there with the GoPro and stuff, walk around. Yeah, oh, alright, let's switch over the windows here. Yep, the show should be coming to our driveway too soon. So I'll have to get on the film here. What the frig is he even doing? Going back and forth, back and forth. There he goes again. Oh well. What you gonna do? Oh, what is he doing now? Eh.
Oh, it's freezing right now. I don't know, it's both.
It's been doing it for a while.
I wonder why. It must be too heavy for him to use his four-wheeler, I guess.
Uncle biggest snow pile there.
Doesn't seem to be as bad as he said it was to use that.
Maybe
Oh, he's
fix
complaining
it.
about it.
Alright, it's Sunday. I got shaved soon. Yep. I gotta work every single day this week. There's no vacation time this week. So back to the full week. And next week I just gotta work 2 days. I'm gone. I'm out of here. Break time. I keep having dreams that I'm gonna forget the monster truck tickets or something else when I pack everything up. Oh boy. So yep, Sunday, snowing, raining, thundering. No, not thundering. Instead it's supposed to. I don't know. Anyways. Now it's freezing rain.
Yeah, now it's freezing rain.
No point in shoveling anymore.
Oh, he shouldn't be shoveling. What's he doing? He's gonna brush the cars off. Hey. I was gonna say you should mount your GoPro on a shovel.
I don't have a mount for that.
Oh.
I have a chest.
Why don't you mount it and why don't you put your chest one on and go do a snow angel?
Yep, still changing the rain. Once again. Even. Oh, for heaven's sakes. Do that. Alright, so I'm gonna go to the top of the driveway with the GoPro. It's turned into freezing rain, something like that. Everything's already pretty much almost melted. Well, not really. But it's melting already. Winter does not want to stay this year, does she? Well, the snow doesn't want to stay. Winter, cold air is still here. So, what time is it there? It's 11:43. I'm gonna get dressed, get GoPro set up. At the top of the driveway, come back down, get lunch, clean my room. And we'll see what else we get into today. Probably not much. But let's see here, today is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10 more days until I go. So yeah, it'll be my third time flying, so I'm kind of nervous. I'm not really nervous, I want to get there, you know. I want to take off, land, have a break for 2 weeks, and take off and land again. So yeah, I just don't want any crying babies on the plane. Ugh. So yeah, I'm gonna get dressed here and we'll go out. ATVs. Yeah. Well, I decided to talk about a few things, because I just don't see anything else going on today, guys. It's probably going to be one of those boring ones. Yeah, I know. So, I do want to make a list of stuff I need to pack up and stuff. And I'm having a problem with my headphones right now. My white ones I got with my camera? No, my phone. I got two pairs. I got these ones, like these. I got the Beats ones, like that. And every single pair of these kind of guys, they always break. The ear stops working. So I only got one ear working on this guy. So I'm gonna have to bring the big guys with me, which really sucks because I didn't really want to. So yeah. So those guys are probably gonna be done next week or so. And I gotta bring the big ones now. Oof. But yeah, so it's kind of annoying because I want to take small stuff with me. So we're bringing the Wi-Fi upstairs. See if that helps, because my Xbox disconnected like 6 times in the last hour, and it's just driving me nuts. And this is it, it's driving me nuts right there. Hurts. And so, oh yes, I heard it's Steve's birthday, so happy birthday. I totally forgot that was your birthday. So yeah, I go away in 10 days. I probably just said that 10 times right today. I just wanted to come. So yeah. Anything else to talk about? Probably, I don't think so. Yeah, I think that's it for now. Not much to talk about either. Oh well. Well, that's gonna be it for today, guys. Oh, sorry, stretch. Oh, yeah, okay. So, today is just a stormy day. Wasn't much to do, didn't go anywhere. We, put all the furniture back in the living room stuff. I'm sure my mom will show you that tomorrow. And for all my new subscribers, just for you updates, I work every day, so my mom takes the camera and film stuff if she wants to. So you'll see her stuff as well. Holy frick. My neighbors are going to bed and it's only 5:49. Goodness. And I am going away on the 14th. I'm heading to Ontario. And I'll be bringing my camera and filming every day. And I don't know about posting every day because it just depends on where I am with Wi-Fi and stuff. But I know I have Wi-Fi at one house and the other house I'm staying at is across the street. So just render my stuff there, go across the street, post it, done. And just go back over. And the other house, I don't know anything but it's like an hour away, so can't walk across the street in that one. So yeah. I'll be going to Monster Jam on Sunday, January 18th, with Bill T. Max. My uncle, he's my uncle if you didn't know that either. And so yeah. I mostly do the to film me on the weekend because that's the only time I get to do it. And I'll do something when I get home or something, go out after work, whatever. And this Thursday won't be a video, but next Thursday there will be because I'll be in Ontario and stuff. It depends. Depends, you might not get a video every day, but I'll render it and getting ready to post and stuff and stay on my computer. And so yeah. Thanks for watching. I know it wasn't very much. That GoPro camera. Hopefully the lens didn't get wet. Well, it probably did, so hopefully there wasn't too much raindrops on it. I haven't watched it, so I'll have to watch it now. Gotta take it out of the case. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. That's probably it. My cousin started a YouTube channel. He's asking me a few things, and I can't wait to see him because it's been a while. I think he's taller than me. I'm not too sure, but he probably is. I'm from a short family. He's from a tall family, so yeah, works out like that, I guess. And I'll be seeing him on the 14th when he gets home from school. I'll be there around 11. And I'll probably just be at my grandparents, and when he comes home, I'll go over. So yeah, can't wait to see him and my other cousin, Dylan and Laura. My other two cousins, my grandparents, my aunt and uncles. The last family and that member I seen was Bill Team X is here November. And so yeah. Thanks for watching, and I guess you'll see my mom tomorrow, whatever she does. And yeah, don't think it's supposed to be too icy tomorrow. My dad is driving ice, so I'll probably still have to go to work if it's icy. If it's when it's my mom, she's in driving ice, so I get a day off. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I guess see you tomorrow. This it really hurts. The pain in the butt. Oh yeah, and a few more things. The World Junior is on again tonight. It's against Slovakia, whatever. We already played them once and we beat them 8-0. And if we win this game, we go to the gold medal game, so that's really good. And the US is out, and that's very, very good. Now it's just Russia I gotta worry about. They're playing Sweden, so if they win, we gotta play Russia. Oh boy. We beat Sweden 5-2. But, yeah. Hopefully Zach Kelly will be good in that tonight. And Max Domi will play good, like he normally does. And all the players. A great team this year. So yeah. We'll see you tomorrow. And you guys have a good night. And I already said this, so I'm wasting my time. Goodbye.